Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope all of you are good. In today's video, I am going to share with you the experience of London Zoo. So this is ZSL London Zoo which we booked on last Wednesday. So here is a queue section. There is a 6-7 section for the queues, which is not really busy on that time because we booked for the morning 11 o'clock slot, so not really busy. So after the entrance, you checked with the security with your bags, and then you go for the ticket scan. If you booked earlier, it's going to be a little bit cheap for you, but the actual price for the adult is £36 and children 3 years under £25, and so on. So from here you can see the start of the zoo. So on the signboards you can see the signs where you want to go, so nothing to worry about it. So first we go to the Penguin Beach, which is on the left hand side. So we started here, and then you can see the signs and boards everywhere. So this is the sign for penguins, and there's a cafe and the toilets as well. So toilets are on like on every section, so there's no need to worry about these. So they gives the map for you on the entrance. So there is a birds which is in the starting of this way. So we see these birds, some monkeys on the left hand side. There's a monkeys, and on the right hand side there's a raven's cage. This is a garden. So this is actually a heritage garden which is in 1829, so which is closed on that day for some work reason, but that's a really nice garden. If you want to sit there, there's a nice weather and nice garden. So we start our journey to the Penguin Beach. So we follow the signs. There is a terrace restaurant on the left hand side, and then on the right hand side there is a Penguin Beach starts. When you visit this place, then you can see the big map and all the things written on this big board, so you can easily search on the board. And here is the Penguin Beach start, which is very nice area. Lots of penguins there. Some are in the water, some are standing outside, so really nice. Kids really enjoy this place as well. The next thing we visit is a butterfly paradise. So this is the inside butterflies, some area which is indoor, you can say, and which is little bit quite hot for the butterflies because butterfly needs the hot warm weather as well. So there's a lots of flowers and lots of butterflies. Some are captured in my camera, but not really, but I try to capture them. When you come out from the butterflies, on the left hand side you can see the blue macaws, which is parrots, big parrots, which is who's standing very far from us, so we really can't see the that one. And I don't know if my camera capture that far. No, not really. From here is the start of the land of the lions. So this land of the lion is they make like quite familiar to Indian culture. So you can see on the walls, on the sides, the art of Indian culture. So on the first entrance I see this rickshaw. Then on the right hand side there is a play area for the kids, so kids can play. There's a lots of benches and lots of space to sit down for the parents, and kids can play freely. And there's a little water park on the left hand side as well. So then there is a area which they put the goats and sheeps. You can go inside and touch them. So yes, that's a really nice. Kids really like this area. And then there is a pig. After the camels there is a tiger territory start from here, so you can see the tigers in this area. But we saw the sleeping tigers because the morning time, I think tigers don't want to wake up on that time. So we saw three four tigers, all are sleeping. Then on the left hand side there's a prayer room which is quite nice. And then after the prayer room you can see the dragon kingdom. You can see 3 to 4 dragons here in this kingdom. Different types of dragon in the kingdom. Some are very difficult to see through the mirrors. After the dragons there is a map and pavilion which is emos and kangaroos in this area. So this is a quite big area for emos and kangaroos. So here start is a reptile house. You can go indoor. You can see all kinds of snakes, lizards, frogs in this area. When you finish from this area, you can see the gorilla kingdom where the gorillas are. When you finish this monkey and gorilla kingdom, there is a left hand side activity den. There is a different games and 7 8 games for the kids, all ages of group. So there's a nice, very nice, so kids enjoy very much here as well. Then there is a tunnel, and then you go through from the tunnel and see rainforest life on your left hand side. And then there is a walk on the left hand side. And after this you can go into Africa, which is area name, not original Africa. So where you can see the hippo. We can't see the hippo because he's sleeping. There's a giraffes, 3 4 giraffes, which is a bit far. So then you can see the zebras, 5 6 zebras is there. Then this animal is okapis. We did see it, but I can't capture it in the camera. There's a monkey valley, and there's a rain start, so I need to quiet my video.